Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Gemini Wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Gemini Wallet, sign up. Then go to first result that shows up or go to www.gemini.com. Once the page has been loaded up, go to sign up from the top right corner. Then choose if you are an individual or a business. Enter your first name. If you have a middle name, enter your middle name. Or you can directly enter your last name. Then enter your email address. Then create a password with 8 characters or more, with a combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, a symbol, and a number. You can view your created password by clicking here. Then choose your location. Then click I'm not a robot. You can now create a Gemini account. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.